At Rochester Hills, local garage door repair, we professionally repair the 6 most common garage door issues. Broken springs can make your door heavy and unsafe. Garage door opener failures can leave your system unresponsive. Broken cables can throw the entire door off balance. Off-track garage doors require immediate professional correction. Worn rollers create noise, friction, and added strain on your system. And faulty safety sensors can prevent safe operation and put your family at risk. These are problems we diagnose and repair every single day with precision, quality parts, and over 15 years of hands-on experience. At Rochester Hills Local Garage Door Repair, we believe in honest diagnostics, competitive pricing, and repairs done right the first time. If your garage door is noisy, crooked, stuck, slow to respond, or simply not working properly, don't wait.